they've got these programs that can help, because I think in society we lose those skills. Hi, I'm Megan and I have 4 children in the program. I love it because it's using nature to bolster their confidence. The team basically gives them tools to deal with their emotions.
The biggest thing I like about it is the fact that the kids get to really talk about the emotions. It's being built into the games and the program, and it's being normalised as a good thing to talk about it. Hi, I'm Claudia. I've got 2 children in the program. Both my boys took part today. So the kids get to do animal work, they get to be in nature, they get to do play with games and things like that.
She's a cute chicken and she's really calm. And I really like the plants because they help the animals live. It's happy.